The second step is to declare and initialize the views that we created in this layout file. For that, move to mainActivity.kt file, and in Android, declaring and initializing views involves defining variables to reference UI elements, which are the views in your app's layout XML files, and initializing these variables with the corresponding views from the XML layout. Let's start with the declaring the variables and the widgets. And as mentioned before in the previous lessons, you declare variables to hold references to the views you want to interact with. These variables are typically declared as properties in your activity or fragment class. You should declare these variables at the class level so they can be accessed throughout the entire class. I'll start with late initiate var my TextView, type TextView, and I'll name it as title TextView in order to distinguish it from the result TextView. Also, we have result TextView, it's of type TextView. We have the EditText, it's of type EditText, and we have button convert button. Late initiate is a keyword in Kotlin that is used to declare a non-nullable property or variable that will be initialized at a later time. It's commonly used when you want to indicate that a property will have a value assigned to it before you try to access its value, thus avoiding nullability checks and potential null pointer exceptions. You must ensure that the late initiate variable is initialized with a value before you attempt to access its value. Thus, we need to move to the onCreate method and start the initialization phase. So after declaring the variables, you need to initialize them by finding the corresponding views from your layout XML file. This is typically done in the onCreate method of your activity or onCreateView method of your fragment. Later on, we're going to learn about fragments in the next sections. But for now, we need to use findViewById method to find the views by their IDs in the onCreate method. Here, I start with title TextView equals to findViewById r.id.textView. Result text equal findViewById r.id.result. Text edit text equals to findViewById r.id.editText, and we have convert button equals to findViewById r.id.convert button. This is how we declare the variables and the widgets, how we initialize the widgets in the onCreate method.